Welcome guys with another lab of this course, Data Science and Machine Learning with R. So in this lab, we're going to discussing about non-linear least square, how we can implement it in R. So for this, we are using the several terms and use the function called HLS, at where we use formula, data, and stop. So we are going to using these terms while we are implementing a non-linear least square. So let's start. Firstly, we have to assign the value. So I'm assigning the value for x. Here I'm giving x values. This is assigned as. I'm just taking random numbers over here. 1, 6, 2, 1, 23. So I'm giving the point value, which we can add here as 2.23. As they are just make point value 1.6, 2.1, 2.23, 3.71, and 3.25. So as there you can see, it was assigned over here. Now we have to assign for y. For this I am giving here y values. Which is given here as, I'm just taking random numbers, 5.19, 7.43, 6.94, 8.11, I'm just picking here random numbers. So it was assigned here. As there you can see, the y value is assigned here. Now just make a plot of that, where we understand about non-linear square, non-linear least square. And there I'm giving plot with x values. And y values. So it was showing for the xy values labels. So at there we have to give because it was showing for the code xy where it doesn't find the y values. At there we have to give for y values. Now our plot is ready. So there you can see the plot is ready over here with the values that we determine over here. So let's assign another value where I'm giving for model. NLS at where the y values. B1x values. With 2. For start, I'm giving here list of B1 and B2. Where V1 equals to here 1 and the B2 equals to 3. And you have to press enter. So at there you can see the model is assigned here. So to check non-linear least square here, we have to give the model, and there it was. There you can see the values that we assigned for as data parent.frame. So when we are using the non-linear least square in R, there we have to assign for new data. For this you have to give the new data, assign it for here, as the data frame, at where we have to give the x values, equals to sequence here at minimizing, we have to give the x values, comma here, and max as x values. Len equals to 100, and there it is given. So at there you can see now the new data is also assigned here, where it was 100 of observes here and one variable. Let's check it over here with new data, present. So at there you can see these are the values that we assign here, taken from R here. So let's take a use of non-linear least square here. So I'm just taking a random one, this print sum residential here, model, two. Let's check it. So at there you can see if it gives us the computation here, which is 1.081935. Now let's print with confident model. So at there you have to give print confident model Interesting. So there you can see it has been calculated over here, which is 2.5% and 97.5% with different values that we given here, which is B1 and B2. So it's how we are using the non-linear least square here. So I hope you understand about how you can use the non-linear least square in R. So that's all in this video. Thank you.